What's good, you guys? Welcome back to another video. I hope you are doing great. Like always, I'm in a good mood. Hope you are too. Make sure you grab your laptop while watching the video. That way you learn the most out of it. You feel me? Try to work with me. I woke up this morning and I was like, let me shoot this video and make some fire beats with my lovely, beautiful subscribers. So if you are new to the channel, don't forget to subscribe, join the family, join the community. You feel me? Other than that, let's just dive right into the video. Let's get it. So let's shift these a bit because I want like dun 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 dun. That is just beautiful. It's giving me like JCOLE, Travis Scott, Young Thug type of vibe. Something like the London type stuff. Like really emotional, but when the drums like hit, it's like cut some lows out of it, add some super VHS, and then just like a little bit of reverb like that. And also what we need is some vinyl. Oof, this combination is too fire. Add like a clap and just like a hi-hat first, just to create like some rhythm and some bounce, and that way we can like add the counter melodies while we're just like adding the drums and just like adding what we're feeling, not thinking too much. So I'm really excited for this beat, bro. It's making me it's like gassed up, you feel me? Oof, it sounded like a path or something like in the background. Okay, what I want to do with the 808 is add two 808s, but just like combine the patterns. So like this 808 is talking to this 808, like boom, 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 dun, 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 dun. Like it's just like going back and forth, you feel me? Okay, that's sounding nice for like some extra texture in the background. What I'm going to add right now is just one last bell, just to create like some like variation inside of the beat. And right here, I want to drop down the sample rate just to create like a bridge and some variation. So resample, accept, drag that in there, and let's see how this sounds. Yeah, yeah. I've been cutting now, it's another day. Doing na 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 na. You be sending na better cut. Na 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 na, call it back. I've been done a ton on the side, na 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 na. This is that enough. Hey. Whole lot of vibes on this beat, bro. I can definitely hear like it really gave me like some the London type of vibe from Travis Scott, JCOLE, and Young Thug. I don't know what it is, but it's sounding super emotional and smooth but hard knocking at the same times with the drums, and just, whoa, fire. Anyways, I hope you enjoyed it. I hope you especially learned from this. If you did, don't forget to leave a like and a comment down below. Would appreciate it. Make sure to follow me on Instagram at Skana Beats. Thank you so much for watching, and I will see you in the next video, guys. Peace.